Hello everyone, in this video we will know how to make money with ChatGPT. Without further ado, let's start. Number 1. Content creation. You can use ChatGPT to generate unique, high-quality content for websites, blogs, and social media platforms. For example, you can use it to generate product descriptions, blog posts, or even entire articles on a given topic. You can then sell this content to businesses or individuals looking for high-quality content. Number 2. Chatbot development. You can use ChatGPT to train chatbots that can be used in customer service, e-commerce, and other applications. For example, you can use the model to train a chatbot that can answer customer questions, assist with product recommendations, or even complete transactions. Number 3. Language translation. You can use ChatGPT to generate translations of text from one language to another. For example, you can use it to translate product descriptions, website content, or even entire articles. This can be a useful service for businesses or individuals looking to expand into new markets or reach a multilingual audience. Number 4. Research and data analysis. You can use ChatGPT for research and data analysis tasks, such as summarizing large amounts of text or identifying patterns in data. You can then offer this service to businesses or organizations that need to analyze large amounts of data. Number 5. Other applications. You can use ChatGPT for other applications, such as automated personal assistant, automated script writing, automated poetry creation, and many more. Number 6. Social media management. Safe method to make money through ChatGPT. Number 7. Marketing. Trusted way to make money with ChatGPT. Marketing is one of the fastest growing sectors in the world at the current time. ChatGPT can easily promote and market your products and services to customers. You can create social media posts, email campaigns, and content writing and publish them by using this software. That will help you to generate revenue without doing any hard work. That is why it is one of the best ways to make money using ChatGPT. Social media management is one of the best and safe methods to make money using ChatGPT. You can easily generate content for social media and handle the account of celebrities, businesses, or any other organizations. This will save you time and generate revenue for you. It's important to note that, while ChatGPT can be a powerful tool for generating high-quality content and automating certain tasks, it's important to ensure that any use of the model complies with relevant laws and regulations. Additionally, you may need to develop additional skills like software development, marketing, sales, etc. to use ChatGPT effectively to earn money. Conclusion: ways to make money using ChatGPT 2023. So, these are some easy and smart methods to make money with ChatGPT. You can follow any of the above mentioned ways to make your career and generate revenue through ChatGPT. This will also help you to do daily work and solve your queries. So, now it's up to you to take advantage of this OpenAI software. If you are confused about which way you should use, then you can do content creation and digital marketing for higher revenue. What is the best method to make money using ChatGPT 2023? Content creation is one of the best methods to make money using ChatGPT. This is quick and will help you earn a handsome amount with the least effort. Is it safe to make money with ChatGPT? Yes, it is entirely safe to earn money using ChatGPT. There are several available ways to make money using ChatGPT without compromising your security. For more informative videos, subscribe our channel.